Instrumentals.
Yeah, shout out to the DJ. This beat so fire that I got this shit on replay. That's kinda cliche, but fuck the delay. I'm going ham like it's my motherfucking B-day. I hit the E-way, doing 110. Time is money, stacking dollars, tall as Big Ben. Last night I fucked your girl and her best friend. You ain't ballin', I can beat you with my left hand. Yeah, these people know that I float, these people know that I go. So I ain't even gotta show that I'm the illest, the realest. You niggas know that you feel this. Any beat I'ma kill it, stupid swag so they steal it. And your cap I'ma peel it, yeah I'ma peel that bitch back, ho. I Mac like Mac Po, you niggas got that Shaq flow. And I eat you rappers for a snack though. And I got your girl walking on the track though. Yeah, so don't talk, I eat your fucking face off. Bath salt, it ain't mine, it's a motherfucking cash fault. And I don't like her, it's a motherfucking ass. But enough about her, let's talk about you. Yeah, that's yo cute, but really fuck you. Got cheese in my pocket like I carry fondue. Kick it like Kung Fu or Taekwondo. So fly like UFO, bro. I don't give a fuck, yo ho, no. Flow so pro, in the dark I glow. You just Joe Blow, more like John Doe. Have your bitch up in the condo, pronto. Pass her like Rondo, rapping Chirac like Saddam. Hope I better keep calm though, before I go crazy. Screaming at you niggas, fuck you, pay me. Work hard, none of my niggas lazy. But that tree smoke got the moon hella hazy. I can't see shit but smoke, smoking no net tree, no oak. Ghost that shit don't choke, but I might crack a smell, no joke. Float, but I never been in crypto. Bombay, I slip slow. Get faded, don't play, but never get traded. And all my bad bitches X-rated. All they asses inflated, but I'm about to hit, don't debate it. I'm so loved, that's probably why I'm so hated. The cost to be the boss, yeah I paid it. I'm so elated, and I ain't even baited. Got me so irritated, cause I'm so dedicated. Like Drama and Wayne, white bitch sniffing cocaine. I think she from the Ukraine. Smoking presidential shit, call that shit Hussein. Fuck it, call it Romaine. But I'm the king of the hill, I think I go to Brazil. You niggas shop at Goodwill. Rose Jersey, all red chucks. Pull up in you niggas in all black trucks. And if you want a problem, nigga, you're in luck. Get that chopper, get your ass a tummy tuck. I don't see you niggas like you going fishing. You ain't fly like a motherfucking chicken. Cooking crack up in the kitchen, give her Moby Dick like Charles Dickens. Just tell her keep licking till her tongue hurt. She ride it like a horse, bought that bitch a polo shirt. Tell her just keep on the skirt in them high heels. She think I'm out to pay her bills. I just tell her pop the pill. Real nigga shit, real nigga, so I need a real ass bitch. I don't wanna call her a bitch, but I ain't trying to get hitched. I'm just trying to get rich. Spit like I got a bitch. You niggas shoot and you miss like Shaq at the free throw. I'm just taking shit like Debo. You niggas better pray Tim Tebow before I give you niggas stitches like Lilo. And you'll never be the king like Tito. All black pistol, fuck Nina, call it Nino Brown. And I don't wanna hear a sound. Leave you niggas face up under the ground. Riding out with my niggas and they rolling up a pound. And